Maytag dishwasher MDB8969SDM0. Top rack rail bearings have failed and actually fallen out. Need to replace top rail, but looks to be riveted in place. Thanks.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you are a JA member, I would like to personally thank you and welcome you back. I am Appliance Guru, an extremely experienced tech on the site, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. Note it takes time for me to type research and add links, so please wait for me to respond back. I can only do this so fast. Secondly, I do not know your skill level, so please try and let me know if I am going beyond your knowledge or comfort zone. Thanks. Answer: go to this link, part number 10. You will see it is just screwed in from the outside. You have to pull the unit out to get to the screws to do it though. Click here. All I ask is please use the star rating link at the top of your page before leaving. That is the only way I am paid anything through the site, and that will also get you a direct link emailed to you to get back to me! ! Tips are greatly appreciated, so thank you very much for using this service. If you have any other questions, just post back to me here anytime.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.